let's start from here, Ines.
I'm gonna take a bite.
Yeah, I can take a bite, yeah, after that. Yes. Read from here then. Innalladhina.
إن الذين
Good job, mashallah, very nice.
one question.
Yes.
What things you actually know
About what?
about anything? Like, what do you know about? And what I know.
Maybe I will let you know after when you read like 2 or 3 ayahs further. We're gonna discuss
Oh,
about that.
like you don't even know what is pet rock.
Then I will definitely ask from you and learn from you, inshallah. Okay?
Okay. Kafaruna.
Okay, you can stretch this one because it's a warm at the kafaru.
Kafaru.
Good job.
Yuna. Tauna.
MashaAllah. Good job.
Lamak. Tullahi.
Can you see a sign on the Lam of Allah?
Yeah.
So,
Tullahi.
very good, MashaAllah.
Akbar.
Ba and then Ra has a pesh. Look, Anas Ba has a zibr and the letter Ra has a pesh on the top. So we'll not join them together but read them separately. Say from here.
He yaru.
It's a has one dot at the bottom. You can eat when you're done with the one ayah, okay? Ak and then what is this?
Yaru.
Is this a ya?
No, I mean baru.
Now read it together.
Akbaru.
MashaAllah. Good job, Anas. MashaAllah. Well done. Next.
Memak.
Good. Reading good, Anas. Next one.
What one am I? Memak. Tikum.
MashaAllah. Okay. Don't worry, he will give it to you back, okay?
Okay. And what if he didn't? Anfusakum.
So then you will get a lot of reward from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Is dod au na. I
Yes.
thought it was
To the
English.
with the ta. To the
Is
arawna.
the dude au na. I actually want to do something that might sound really weird. It's not weird. Like
What's
from
that?
human to like we're in school, we're actually making a project like the sun catcher. Even though what the sun catcher, I also don't even know what it is, but we're actually making it. Like we're actually using gelatin to make it.
Okay.
But it's
S-
not but people but people don't actually eat it. It's actually we don't eat it. It's actually for a project like we call it a sun catcher. It's like this liquid that's from gelatin.
So what are you making?
A sun catcher, even though
A
if you
sun
want to say that.
statue?
No, a sun catcher. Like it catches.
Is what? Oh, what it
Do you know what
catches?
I don't really know. I never heard about it, but when I'm in school, I might
So
know
it's a
what it
group
does now.
project.
Yeah.
Understand. When it's
Everybody.
done, you can let me know. Like what was that?
Okay.
All right.
Ilay
Ilal.
yuma ilal mani.
You can see it's hamza with a zir. So it's not a lam. It's a hamza with joining with the ya. Ilal.
Ilal limani.
So instead of saying limani, this zir is from here. Okay. So this is hamza. Imani.
Ilali.
Imani with a meme.
Imani.
Good. Now read from here slowly.
Ilal imani.
Good job, Anas. Good job, mashallah. Today I will give you a prize as well, okay?
Okay. Nick, then tell everybody to give it back. That snack.
Okay, read.
Patak Fufuna.
So can you see a waw madda
Uh, no. Furuna.
from here?
Patak Furuna.
Mashallah. Now take a pause with me. Fatakfurun.
Patak Furun.
Mashallah. That's very, very good, Anas. Good job. Okay, good. Next ayah, please.
Kalu.
Qalu.
Kalu.
Next.
Rabbana.
Good.
Amatanas.
Good.
Nataini.
Good job.
Waahyay. Natana.
Yes. Well done, Anas. Mashallah. Good. Now it's joining. Nas.
Nas. This is gonna take a long time. That's not tiny.
Good.
Patawa na
Rough.
rough rough na bidunubi
But you need to look at the madda letters carefully.
bidunubina
Yes. Next.
pahal ila
Good.
furujin min ju
Who?
fu jen min
Join your lips. Jimin.
jim min
Good.